Young Mary went out walking down by the ocean tide. Her beautiful form and features were known as a village pride, until a bold sea captain came out to take the air down by the royal ocean, down by this lady fair.
If you don't consent to marry me and be my own loving bride, I will set your body floating on the waves of the silvery tide.
Young Mary, then she trembled for a vow she could not break. It was true she loved young Henry and would die for his fond sake.
Was with a red silk handkerchief that her hands and her feet were tied, and he set her body floating on the waves of the silvery tide. It was only a few days after young Henry came from sea, in the hopes for to get married and appoint a wedding day. It's true your love was murdered, her parents both they cried. She has proved her own destruction by the waves of the silvery tide. Young Henry went to bed that night, but no rest there could he find, for the thoughts of loving Mary ran through his wandering mind. He then arose, put on his clothes for a midnight stroll, when he down by the royal ocean, down by the silvery sea, and he stayed there until daylight came, and her corpse there he did find, saying it's true my love was murdered on the waves of the silvery
This villain, he was taken to the scaffold. He must go for the murder of young Mary, the girl he did lay low. Young Henry went distracted, and he wandered till he died, and his last words were of Mary and the waves of the silvery tide. And his last words were of Mary and the waves of the silvery tide.